Ability to adaptability. Are you future ready? As you know, we are constantly facing numeric challenges related to technological advances. Not just our professional life, our personal life is changing at a faster speed. Experts call this era the fourth industrial revolution, or simply the digital revolution. LinkedIn Learning surveyed their network of over 660 million professionals and 20 plus million jobs and identify adaptability as one of the five most in-demand interpersonal skills of the 21st century. The World Economic Forum also reported that technology adoption is expected to accelerate in most areas. As a result, an average of 70% of employees will require upskilling or reskilling, learning new tactical skills and improving your foundational skills. So, how do we thrive in this changing world? To thrive and succeed, you need to adapt in order to excel professionally and personally. So, if you would like to learn more about it, join me for the next 3 weeks, starting on Saturday, December 4th, 2021. We will look at the history of technological advancements, current and future expected changes, and must have foundational and tactical skills for you to become adaptive in order to, grow at your life. Whether your goal is to take on a bigger project or start a new job, or change your career, learning these skills can help you stand out for that next opportunity. Hope to see you there.